हरि ओम। गीताभ्यासे 2-38 सुखदुःखे समे कृत्वा। एस.एल. अभ्यंकर, मुंबई, Saturday, May 30th, 2020. It would be good to begin every session of Gita Abhyasa with recitation of Gita Dhyanam and the Namana Vakyam. Om Parthaya Pratibodhitam Bhagavata Narayanena Swayam Vyasena Grathitam Purana Munina Madhye Mahabharatam Advaitamrutavarshinim Bhagavatim Ashtadashadhyayinim Amba Tvamanusandadhami Bhagavat Gite Bhavadveshinim. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. सुख दुःखे समे कृत्वा लाभालाभौ जयाजयौ ततो युद्धाय युज्यस्व नैवं पापमवाप्स्यसि। पदच्छेदाः। सुख दुःखे समे कृत्वा लाभालाभौ जयाजयौ ततः युद्धाय युज्यस्व न एवं पापम अवाप्स्यसि। Now clause wise analysis. Tvam, that Kartrupadam subject word is not explicit, so I have put it into bracket. Sukha dukhe same labhalabho jayajayau samau krutva. Samau again is not explicit, but because labhalabho jayajayau are pulling dvitiya ekvachanam, so sukha dukhe same is napusakaling dvitiya ekvachan, dvitiya dvivachan, and labhalabho jayajayau samau is pulling dvitiya dvivachan. Again, tvam, not explicit, continues. Yuddhaya tataha yujyasva yujyasva na evam tvam papam avapsyasi. Tigantaha yujyasva. Yuj चतुर्थगणीयः आत्मनेपदी. टू फोकस, टू कॉन्सेंट्रेट. कर्तरिप्रयोगः. लोट लकारः आज्ञार्थः इम्पेरेटिव, मध्यमपुरुषः एकवचनम्. अवाप्स्यसि, अव प्लस आप, पंचमगणीयः परस्मैपदी. टू ऑब्टेन, टू एक्वायर. कर्तरिप्रयोगः एक्टिव वॉइस. लुट् लकारः भविष्यत्कालः फ्यूचर टेंस, मध्यमपुरुषः एकवचनम्. न कृदन्ताः, देयर इज ओनली वन कृदन्तम् और कृदन्तः कृत्वा. धातुगणपदाः कृ अष्टमगणीयः उभयपदी. कृत् प्रत्ययः त्वा, कृ त्वा कृत्वा, ऑन डूइंग. अव्ययम्, indeclinable. So active voice, and because it is indeclinable avyayam, there is no detail of lingam vibhakti vachanam. Samasaha. Sukha dukhe sukham cha dukkham cha iti sukha dukhe itere taradvandvah. Labha labhau labha cha alabha cha itere taradvandvah. Na labha iti alabha na tatpurusha. Likewise, jaya jayo जयः च अजयः च इतरेतरद्वन्द्वः. न जयः इति अजयः न तत्पुरुषः. Note, same matches with sukha dukhe. In case of labha labho and jaya jayo, it has to be samau. So study of subantas. Sukha dukhe pratipadikam sukha dukha. Jatihi nama. Happiness and sorrow. नपुंसकलिंगम द्वितीया द्विवचनम. समे सम विशेषणम. इक्वल नपुंसकलिंगम द्वितीया द्विवचनम. लाभालाभो लाभालाभ प्रातिपदिकम. जाति ही नाम. गेन एंड लॉस. पुल्लिंगम द्वितीया द्विवचनम. जया जयौ जया जय नाम नाउन. विक्टरी एंड डिफीट. सक्सेस एंड फेल्यूर. पुल्लिंगम द्वितीया द्विवचनम. समौ सम प्रातिपदिकम विशेषणम. इक्वल पुल्लिंगम द्वितीया द्विवचनम. ततः तत् सर्वनाम हेन्स नपुंसकलिंगम पंचमी एकवचनम युद्धाय युद्ध नाम वॉर नपुंसकलिंगम चतुर्थी एकवचनम एवं एवं अव्ययम thus and because it is an avyayam no detail of lingam vibhakti hi vachanam papam papa naam sin here napusakalingam dvitiya ekvachanam note tatah is equal to tasmat in tatah the pratyaya is taha having grammatical name tasil is used as an optional pratyaya of panchami vibhakti hi ekvachanam like tasmat tatah also is used adverbially as hence अन्वयार्थ त्वं सुखदुःखे समे लाभालाभौ जयाजयौ समौ कृत्वा you make your mind equanimous between happiness and sorrow, between gain and loss, between victory and defeat. Tataha yuddhaya yujyasva. Then just focus only on fighting the war. Evam tvam papam na vapsasi. Then you will not acquire any sin. Chando Vishleshana. Sukha dukhe same krutva. Same krutva. Because of tva, kr gets two matra. Etesham matraha eka dve dve. लाभालाभौ जया जयौ जया ज एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका ततो युद्धाय युज्यस्व ययुज्य and because of swa j also gets two matras so etesham matraah eka dve dve naivam papam vapsyasi mavapsya etesham matraah eka dve eka anushtup chandotra swadhyaya notes of self study the concept promoted here is of doing anything any karma devoid of any objective of sukha being happy of labha acquiring any gain or of jaya being victorious nor being worried of any dukkha that may befall any sorrow that may befall of alabha any loss of life or of property of ajaya any defeat any failure to be faced note since meaning of labha is gain meaning of alabha is taken as loss but in economics and finance, there is a concept of break-even, neither gain nor loss. That break-even is also alabha. Likewise, in a cricket match, there can be a tie. So, meaning of ajaya would include a tie, neither victory nor defeat. Because the context here is of war, meaning of jaya and ajaya is taken as victory and defeat. In another context, meaning of jaya and ajaya can be success and failure. Comes to mind the 1,000 failures faced by Thomas Alva Edison in his effort to make a long-lasting electric bulb. All those failures were ajayaha. Meaning of jaya jayau samau krutva would include not to be undone by failures. There is a subhashitam yatne krute yadina siddhyati kotra dosha. It is no fault if efforts do not succeed. Daring to challenge Bhishma and Drona is itself commendable. Going away from the battle is not. Tato yuddhaya yujyasva. Yujyasva is yuj. Chaturthaganiya atmanepadi yujan samadhau. Lot lakara madhyama purusha hai ekvachanam. But yuj is also saptamaganiya ubhayapadi yujir yoge. Then lot madhyama purusha ekvachan, those forms rupani would be yuktat yungdhi parasmaipadam yungshva atmanepadi. It seems yujang samadhau is thoughtfully used here. Samadhau is saptamya ekvachanam of samadhi. Sama in samadhi matches with same samau tato yuddha yujyasva means Have equanimity in your mind and then fight. Is this some psychotherapy by Sri Krishna Bhagavan? Naivam papam apsasi seems to have the context of Arjuna's fear, ahobata mahat papam kartum vyavasitavayam, 1-45. Basically, what is papam? What happens when one acquires sin? Papam avapsati. Maybe narake niyatam vaso bhavati, as mentioned by Arjuna in 1-44. One would go to hell, the nether worlds, for infinite time, aniyatam. The anecdote of prodigal son in the Bible condones prodigal conduct. Is that a good ideal? In Mahabharatan war, all bad characters and all those supporting them are eliminated. Is there concrete evidence that a sinful person would suffer bad experiences in this life itself? There has to be such a deterrent to ensure that people would not indulge in sinful conduct. Maybe the system of governance has to be so efficient and effective that one would not dare to indulge in sinful conduct. Maybe the diktat here, Yuddhaya Yujyasva, hints at an efficient and effective system of governance. An efficient and effective system of governance should not have any biases, no undue fines or favors. Sukha dukkhe samay krutva, labha labhau jaya jayo. Well, that's an interesting perspective of this shloka. People, when assuming an office of responsibility, have to take an oath. The wording of such oaths has a similar sense of equanimity. No undue fines or favors. Do we realize that conducting our life is also a responsibility of good governance? We should be so also abiding by an oath of equanimity. This shloka is such an oath. Hence, Yujyasva is from Yuj, Chaturthaganiya Atmapadi, Yujam Samadhau. For oath by oneself, by Uttama Purusha, it would be Aham Yujjai. Abiding by the oath is also nothing less than fighting a war. Sant Tukaram, contemporary of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, said as much, Ratrandina Amha Yuddhacha Prasanga. We are in a state of war day and night. The resolve to fight the war, Aham Yujjai, comes from Sukha Dukkhe Samay Krutva, Labha Labhau Jaya Jayo. Gita is as much for redeeming Arjuna to fight the war, fight the Mahabharatam war, as it is for each one of us to fight our wars within. YouTube has a facility to post comments, but I would urge upon readers to please send comments directly to me to sanskrit2601 @gmail.com. Shubhamastu.